Hello all, I am Mayur Rajendra Kumar Ghate. I am glad and would like to thank you, the Spark Foundation, for providing an internship in the field of data science and business analytics. Today I am presenting task number 8, which is timeline analysis COVID-19. Problem statement: create a storyboard showing spread of COVID-19 cases in your country or any region, Asia, Europe, BRICS, etc. using Tableau, Power BI or SAP. So here I am using a Tableau software to analyze timeline analysis of COVID-19. This is my storyboard. Here is my main dashboard. In my main dashboard, it contains charts of population, location-wise total test carried out, location-wise total cases, total vaccination, death rate, date-wise COVID-19 analysis. So we will see one by one charts or graphs. Let's see first one, population. This is a graph between continent and average population and average total cases. So it will show that total number of cases population wise. For example, for Asia, total cases are this much and population is this much. Similarly, for North America, total cases are that much and population is that much. Basically, it gives continent-wise total population and total number of cases. Next one, location-wise total cases. Here for Asia, it gives total cases and here is the number of total cases. Likewise for United States, European Union, South America, India, Brazil, Russia, and also for world. Next one, total test carried out. So here we have seen the numbers of total cases location wise. Here is the count of total cases. Here is the count of total test carried out for particular location for India, China, Russia, United Kingdom, Germany, Italy, Turkey, likewise. So here is the highest tests are carried out in United States, followed by India, China, Russia. Next one, total vaccination. As already we know that the population of Asia is highest than other continents. The total vaccination done in Asia is highest, followed by China, North America, United States, Europe, European Union, India. Next one, death rate. After seeing this diagram, we can conclude that Europe has most number of deaths, followed by North America, South America, European Union, United States, Asia, Brazil, India, Mexico, like that. Next one, box and whisker plot. I have plotted the graph between months versus average total vaccination, average total test, average total death, average total cases, and average positive rate. So first one, the graph between months and average total cases. Here we can see that after September 2020, we see drastic increase in the number of cases or death rate or test or positivity rate. This is also shows that total deaths, total test, total cases, positive rate, total vaccination, location wise. We can draw insight from this like that. During summer season, the number of cases are increased and during a monsoon season, it get decreased. Here positive thing is that the number of vaccination are increasing drastically, means the awareness about vaccination are spread more, so people are taking vaccine, so it will beneficial. This is all about task number 8 which I have carried out. I am uploading this task on Tableau Public, so anyone can access whole dashboard through Tableau Public. Thank you.